I grew up vacationing in this area and I just fell in love with the countryside, the food, and the culture. We are so proud to own this landmark bed and breakfast and be a part of Lancaster County's history. This property originally started out as a tavern, and it was a stagecoach stop along the route between Harrisburg and Philadelphia. It began as a tavern. For a time it was a private residence, and then back in the 1980s it was renovated to become the bed and breakfast that you see today. We have guests who come here from around the world. People stay with us from as near away as the neighborhood behind the property to as far away as Australia and Japan. Not only do we get to live here, but we get to welcome visitors to this area and help them fall in love with it as much as we have.